Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to restrict message requests on Messenger. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, of course, you need to launch Messenger. Then you'll be required to click on your profile, which is in the top left hand corner. So now that you're on your profile, you need to click on privacy, which is right below mobile number. At this point, you need to click on message delivery. Now it says you decide whether you want message requests to go to your chat list, your message request folder, or whether to receive them any at all. So for example, people with your phone number, you can decide whether their message requests go to your chat or whether they go to the message request folder or whether or not to receive it any at all. And for friends of friends on Facebook, if you didn't want them sending you any message request, you simply need to tap on don't receive requests. And at this point, you would be greeted with this message right here, which says this will also turn off requests from others on Facebook and you won't be able to receive any new updates. So you simply need to tap on update settings and that would restrict any message requests. And you can do this for pretty much any of these options right here. So that's pretty much how you'd go about restricting message requests on Messenger. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.